Harlan late last night. And the Mansion Rat drove a sleep machine over the Jersey state line. The barefoot girl sitting on the hood of a Dodge, drinking warm beer in the soft summer rain. The rat pulls into town and rolls up his pants. Together they take a stab at romance and disappear down Flamingo Lane. Well, the maximum long man ran down Flamingo, chasing the rat, the barefoot girl. And the kids round here live just like shadows, always quiet, holding hands. From the churches to the jails, night out of silence everywhere. As we take our step down into the picture rendezvous for the night. Gonna be deep but giant legs on the side. The princess first of the night. Hands on the ground on the turnpike. There's a better being for that land. Until the local cops, the Cherokees, the River Six Gold. Streets of life, that's how they context man their vanishing sea. Kids flash guitars just like switchblade, hustling for the record machine. The hunger and the honey exploding around your nose. Face up against each other on the street. soul and dreams running through the night so tender. In a bedroom lost, whispers soft, refusal and then surrender. In the tunnels uptown, the rat song, dream guns down, shots echo down the hallways in the night. No one watches when the ambulance pulls away, or as the girl shuts out that bedroom light. Outside the streets on fire and a real death waltz between much flesh and much fantasy. When the poets down here, they don't write nothing at all. Just stand there and let it all be. In the cook of the night, they reach for the moment, try to make it understand, but they wind up wounded. Tonight in the jungle.